It's for me. I'm just applying and appearing and doing what it is. In all cases, anything related to me, it's always God first anyway. Before I step in the room, it's always God. So if anybody's trying to put things together, maybe, formulate something of some case or whatever, then it's fine. It is what it is. God is there and the truth shall prevail. That's it.
Do you think you'll be acquitted?
I'm not a judge, I'm not a lawyer. I'm just an accused, just like any other black man. Successful black man, yeah.
You didn't discharge a firearm at all?
There's no gun.
But in the house, we saw in the
Thank you very much.